This here requires no description, right? This is Ghirardelli dark chocolate, and it is a classic, right? I think they're from San Francisco, right? Anyway, so we're gonna try this as well. The pretty little one at the end is melting, but not as quickly and as efficiently as the others.
Well, this doesn't come with stabbers, these things, so let's try it with certainly better. That would have helped, I think, to provide those. Let me see. What's a lot of chocolate on there? Mm-hmm.
That's the Ghirardelli.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Ghirardelli is just okay.
It's
Look how
chocolate.
nicely though.
It does.
Like that looks like
hold
artwork.
Hold on. Let me see. I'm going to come over here. Let's see if I can also. Look at how nice that is.
It's just because you have pretty nails.
I
Really?
feel like Ghirardelli, for their wafers for melting, isn't the same quality of chocolate. It is really good chocolate. And I feel like it is not the same.
Try it on here. Here's my one thing that I will say in favor of the Ghirardelli. The Ghirardelli has that like dry cacao edge to it. Like it really has that dark chocolate kind of taste to it.
Yeah.
This one, while it is called dark chocolate,
More creamy.
is definitely more creamy and probably more delicious.
Yeah, it tastes more like a milk chocolate.
Very perfect for this though. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.